Welcome back to my channel, and with this I'm calling all sausage enthusiasts and flavor adventurers. Get ready to join me on a sizzling new journey as I transform from Steirerbua Sausage Adventures to bone, smoke and sizzle. While sausages remain my heart and soul, my new identity embraces the entire craft, from the bone to the sizzle. You might ask why they change? Well, because it's more than just sausages. It's about the art of smoke-kissed flavors and the rhythm of the grill with passion of creation. From the perfect spice blends to celebrating unique techniques, bone, smoke and sizzle is where craftsmanship meets the grill and much more. Join me in savoring the journey of creation from that irresistible sizzle on your grill or pan. How can you be part of it? Simple. Subscribe and ignite your passion for making sausages. Put them on the grill with bone, smoke and sizzle. Get ready to savor every moment of that.